Welcome to the fitment video tutorial for your new Repco universal seat covers. First step is removing the headrest by pressing the release button and lifting it out of the backrest. Fit the back of the seat cover over the seat back. Pull down so it fits smoothly on all sides. If you have a high back size 60 seat cover, then fit the back of the seat cover over the seat back. Pull the seat cover down so it fits smoothly on all sides. Step 2. Ensure the airbag express tag is aligned with the seam of the seat. Step 3. Feed the anchor through the space between the seat back and seat bottom and pull through to the back side. Step 4. Stretch the seat cover over the seat base and make sure it fits snugly at the top and around all sides. Step 5. Grab the straps on each side of the seat and fasten under the seat at the back. Step 6. Reinstall the adjustable headrest back and fit the headrest covers over the headrest. This is not required for size 60 high back seat covers.